Strip paint designs are quickly becoming one of the most stylish and creative ways to transform ordinary walls into statement features. Whether you're refreshing a single accent wall or revamping an entire room, stripe patterns add depth, dimension, and personality to your home's interior. From bold, colorful stripes to soft, neutral tones, this design approach offers endless possibilities for every style and mood. Horizontal stripes make rooms appear wider and more spacious, while vertical stripes create an illusion of height, perfect for smaller or lower-ceilinged spaces. You can experiment with thick and thin stripes, alternating colors, or even metallic finishes to introduce a touch of luxury. Modern homeowners are also embracing asymmetrical and uneven stripe patterns for a more artistic and dynamic feel. Strip paint designs can easily complement various interior themes. For example, black and white stripes suit a contemporary or minimalist setting. Pastel shades bring serenity to bedrooms, and vibrant tones energize living areas or kids' rooms. You can also use stripe accents behind your TV unit, on hallway walls, or even ceilings for a unique visual twist. The best part? Stripe painting is customizable and budget-friendly. You can achieve it with simple painter's tape and your favorite color palette. Whether you prefer sleek uniform lines or a more textured look using brush strokes, strip paint designs help you express creativity while maintaining elegance. In 2025, the trend leans